Yesterday, when I was young, the taste of life was sweet, like rain upon my tongue. I tasted life as if it were a foolish game, the way an evening breeze would taste a candle flame. The thousand dreams I dream, the splendid things I plan, I always built to last on wake and shifting sun. I live my night and shun the naked light of day, and only now I see how the years have run away. Yesterday, when I was young, there were so many songs that waited to be sung, so many wide pleasures that lay in store for me, and so much pain my dazzled eyes refused to see. I ran so fast the time, and youth at last ran out, and I never stopped to think what life was all about. And every conversation that I can recall concern itself with me and nothing else at all. Yesterday, the moon was blue, and every crazy day brought something new to do. And I used my magic age as if it were a well, and never saw the waste and emptiness beyond. The game of love I played with arrogance and pride, and every flame I lit so quickly died. The friends I made all seemed somehow to drift away, and only I am left on stage to end the play. Yesterday, when I was young, there were so many songs that waited to be sung, so many wide pleasures lay in store for me, and so much pain my dazzled eyes refused to see. There are so many songs in me that won't be sung, 'cause I feel bitter taste of tears upon my tongue, and time has come for me to be for yesterday.